Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best mini fondue set is probably one of the most charming ways to enjoy a meal, offering a unique and interactive dining experience. Perfect for both casual weeknight dinners and festive gatherings, these compact sets bring the joy of fondue to any occasion. Whether you're a cheese aficionado or a chocolate lover, a mini fondue set promises a fun and flavorful experience, making it a delightful addition to your culinary toolkit. Number 5. Nostalgia 6-Cup Electric Fondue Pot Set. Enjoy a variety of fondue recipes with this electric fondue pot set. It's perfect for creating delicious desserts or savory appetizers, ideal for entertaining guests or family time. This set has everything you need for a successful fondue night. It includes 6 color-coded fondue forks, a support ring, and a 1.5-quart electric fondue pot. Keep fondues at the ideal temperature with the blue lit temperature control dial. The cool touch side handles make it safe and easy to handle. It also comes with a 38-inch long cord. This stainless steel fondue pot is built to last, making it a sleek and durable centerpiece. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Inspired by early 19th century America, this product offers unique and fun experiences. It preserves the past while embracing the present and looking forward to the future. What we like. This set offers a versatile fondue experience, perfect for both sweet and savory dishes. It includes everything you need, making it super convenient. If you are looking for a complete set for entertaining, this is a great choice. You'll be able to create delicious fondues with ease. What people say. Easy setup. The hot plate does very well to maintain its temperature, and it is nice we have the ability to gauge the desired temperature for ourselves. We have used for both cheese fondue and chocolate fondue, and both experiences have worked wonderfully. The top lid is nice as it has slots to hold each person's skewer, and with the color coding of the skewers, it's ideal for group settings so we know whose is whose. Works great. We use it pretty frequently as a quick dessert with fresh fruit. Easy to wash. Melts chocolate quick without making it clumpy. They are good quality pots that have even heat distribution and are easy to clean up. Number 4. Kusini Electric Fondue Pot Set, Chocolate Fondue Kit. This electric fondue pot set is perfect for movie nights, game nights, or date nights. It's a fun way to create lasting memories with friends and family. It's easy to use and a great addition to any gathering. The set includes a melting base, a removable bowl, a serving tray, and skewers. It has everything you need to get started. It's designed for easy serving and cleaning, making your experience hassle-free. Simply heat up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit to melt your chocolate or cheese. Then, switch to warm and serve with your favorite dippings. It's a simple process that everyone can enjoy. Invite your friends and family over for a fun fondue party. It's a great way to impress them and create a memorable experience. It's perfect for any occasion. Looking for a great gift? This Kusini fondue pot set is ideal for any occasion. It's a great hostess gift, housewarming gift, or a Valentine's Day gift. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Kusini is committed to providing premium products for everyone to enjoy. They promise to ensure you are 100% satisfied with your purchase. Try it out and make some delectable memories. What we like. This deluxe fondue maker is designed for easy preparation and enjoyment. It's also a perfect gift set for any occasion. If you are looking for a fun and memorable gift, consider this one. It's ideal for date nights or small gatherings. What people say. The fondue set is the perfect size for a small group. It is easy to clean. The design is very cute. Number 3. Luvan 4 PCS Fondue Pot Set. Introducing the Luvan 4 PCS Fondue Pot Set. This set is perfect for melting chocolate, butter, or cheese for your favorite snacks and desserts. It's ideal for family gatherings and parties. Each bowl in the set has a 5-ounce capacity, perfect for individual servings. The set comes with 20 tea light candles. The stackable design saves space in your cupboard. Made of high-quality, durable ceramic, this set ensures even heat distribution. The included smokeless tea light candles burn for up to 5 hours without any smell. The metal stand is also very durable. This versatile set is great for melting butter, chocolate, and more. You can also use it for dips, sauces, appetizers, and side dishes. The ramekins are also great for making desserts. Made from elegant, environmentally friendly ceramic, you don't have to worry about harmful toxins. The ramekins are oven, dishwasher, microwave, and freezer safe, making cleanup a breeze. We are confident that you'll love this product. If you're not satisfied, let us know, and we'll offer a refund or replacement immediately. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This set features individual sweet bowls made of durable ceramic material. It's also multi-purpose, suitable for various dips and desserts. If you like a personalized fondue experience, this is the one for you. It's perfect for individual servings and easy cleanup. What people say. The fondue set is the perfect size for a small gathering. It is easy to clean. The design is very nice. Number 2. Boska Cheese Fondue Party Set. This cheese fondue party set is perfect for cheese or chocolate fondue. It comes with everything you need to get started, including fondue forks and tea lights. The set is designed for 2 to 4 people, making it ideal for a cozy get-together or a snack. Its capacity is 0.7 liters, which is about 24 ounces. The black fondue pan is made of high-quality ceramic. You can use it on an open fire, a gas stove, or even in the oven. After you're done, cleaning up is a breeze. The fondue pot is dishwasher safe, so you can spend more time enjoying your fondue. Boska is committed to quality, and that's why they offer a 10-year warranty on this product. You can be confident in its durability and performance. What we like. This set is perfect for cheese fondue for 2 to 4 people. The ceramic fondue pan is versatile and easy to clean. If you like a simple and easy-to-use fondue set, this is a great option. It's ideal for a cozy night in or a small gathering. What people say. The ceramic dish had a good weight to it. I liked how easy the ceramic was to clean after a short soak. It does get hot enough to make the fondue in the pot. You do not have to make it on the stove first like some reviewers said. Just add your wine, or whatever liquid you're using, first and get good and hot before you start adding cheese. It took about 15 minutes to heat the wine. Then add the cheese in batches. Actually gets so hot I had to blow out the candles near the end because the cheese was starting to burn. Overall the set is very sturdy too. The fondue forks are really nice quality. Number 1. Wilton Ceramic Fondue Set. This ceramic fondue pot is perfect for dipping and sharing chocolate-covered treats. It's designed to melt your favorite candies or dipping chocolate, making it ideal for any occasion. With this set, you can create delicious, chocolate-covered treats that everyone will love. It's a fun and interactive way to enjoy your favorite snacks. The set includes a 2-piece ceramic fondue pot, designed for even heating. It's easy to clean and maintain, ensuring it will last for many uses. It also comes with 4 fondue dipping forks, making it easy to enjoy your treats. Instructions are included to guide you through the process. Simply melt your favorite candy, melts candy or dipping chocolate in the pot and serve. It's a simple and elegant way to enjoy a sweet treat. Use a tea light to keep the chocolate warm while you enjoy your treats. Please note that the tea light is sold separately. What we like. This ceramic fondue melting pot is perfect for dipping and sharing chocolate-covered treats. It includes forks and instructions for easy use. If you are looking for a simple and elegant fondue set, this is a great choice. It's ideal for a romantic night or a fun family activity. What people say. It kept the chocolate warm and it was easy to use. It does cheese really well. You have to prepare the fondue in a pot and transfer it over, but this keeps it nice and warm and melty while you dip. I like that is 2 pieces. One for candle, one for food. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.